In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Docusign signature from a PDF. Whether it's because of an incorrect signature or you're just looking to clear the document for another use, this step-by-step guide will help you do so easily and efficiently. Let's begin by heading over to your web browser and opening Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, your next step will be to perform a search using the key phrase Google PDF Signature Remover. This search will help you find several tools that offer PDF editing capabilities. These tools are essential in removing digital signatures, which can sometimes prove tricky when attached via Docusign. Now, let's sift through the search results. You should look for a credible and reliable website that provides PDF editing services. There are numerous options available, each with its own range of functionalities that can help you accomplish the task at hand. When selecting a website, consider factors such as ease of use, security, and user reviews. After selecting your preferred website, click to enter it. Once you're within the chosen PDF editing platform, the next step is to prepare your document for editing. Begin by uploading the Docusign document from which you wish to remove the signature. Usually, this is done by clicking on the Upload button or a similarly labeled feature on the website. This action should open a file selection window, allowing you to navigate to the location on your computer where the file is stored. Double-click on your chosen file or select it and click Open to upload it to the site. With your document successfully uploaded to the site's interface, you should now look for options or features tailored toward removing signatures. Depending on the platform you're using, this might be labeled as Edit PDF, Remove Signature, or something similar. Engage the appropriate tool or option that enables you to get rid of the Docusign signature. Follow any on-screen prompts that will guide you through the process, ensuring the signature is entirely removed from the document. Once the signature is removed, the final step is equally critical: saving your document. Most platforms will provide an option to download or save your edited document. Click on this option and select your desired file format, usually PDF, and choose a destination file location on your computer for the saved document. After saving, it's always good practice to open the file to double-check that the signature has been successfully removed. By following these straightforward instructions, you can efficiently remove a Docusign signature from your PDF document and proceed with the edits or tasks you need. Remember that safeguarding your documents, particularly when dealing with sensitive information, is crucial, so always opt for trustworthy tools and platforms. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide